photos and things from iCloud because I want to be doing videos.
If y'all would just use separate accounts, it'd be fine. But no.
Don't you wear glasses? Okay.
I don't need them to see, I just need them to see.
You don't need them to see, you just need them to see.
I don't need them to see, I just need them to see.
Dude. But I had to get used to wearing mine all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like sweating in mine. So if I'm gonna do something sweaty, I'll take them off. Suffer the consequences.
That's a big hole. Oh, that's a water main. Never mind.
Yeah. That one goes down past this dude. I don't know exactly.
That's a sunset. Just so you know. I usually do morning walks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right when the sun's coming up. So it's in my eyes when I'm going home.
Well, thankfully it's cool enough now to where you can walk in the evenings.
Yeah. Especially after getting a huge meal.
Yeah. Alright, enjoy the rest of your walk.
Okay.
I'll grab my stuff.
Talk to you later.
Okay. Thanks for walking with me.
You too.